How to check last login on Snapchat account. So let's get started. So if you want to check the last person or the last device that has been logged into your Snapchat account, so to check that, what you have to do is just simply open up your Snapchat application, and after opening up your Snapchat application, from here just tap on the profile icon which is on the top left. After tapping on the profile icon, just tap on the gear icon which is on the top right. After tapping on your gear icon, you will find two-factor authentication. Just simply tap on it and then make sure that your two-factor authentication is turned on. So if it's not, just simply go ahead and turn it on, and after turning it on, you will find this option which is forget details. From here you will find all the devices that has been logged into your account. So from here you can check the time of the device. So by checking the time and the date of the device, you can find the last login on Snapchat account. So that's it guys, this is how to check last login on Snapchat account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.